Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KODK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume. News, headlines everywhere. And I don't mean to say the obvious, but I will anyways to establish some context. But overall, a nice bounce. I mean, you stop and think about the fact that the price this morning was all the way down here, yet it was able to work its way all the way back up to there. Now, don't get me wrong, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But relatively speaking, from where it was at its lows to where it closed, a nice move. But that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $9.50. Why is $9.50 important? Well, let's say that this occurs. I'm not saying it will, but just for example's sake, price comes down here to $9.50, behaves in that manner, and then breaks to the downside. What would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point, from a very literal point of view, that would be putting the price, quite literally, basically right back to where it started. In other words, the bounce started, and then the bounce failed, and the price is literally sitting right back to where it was. Not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power, the price is not going to go back to where it was, right? It's going to make at least some sort of form of progress, which is why that area is important, because maybe the price comes down here as no price can go straight up, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you would envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 950. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, key battleground to watch moving into Tuesday, going to be right up there at $11.50. So $11.50, public enemy number one moving forward. But all in all, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon the momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.